Okay, this is a room tour for the Radisson Blue Hotel. It's in South Kensington in London. Literally just arrived. It's a small room, but more than adequate for what we need. It's got a double bed there. Some lights just down there. Obviously the phone. TV area. There's a mini fridge in here. Don't think there's anything in it. No. Got some tea and coffees and stuff like that. Espresso machine. A couple of complimentary waters. TV, mirror. Good view out to, I think it's Cromwell Road. There's a 2-minute walk to the tube station, Gloucester Road. A little bit of storage. Ironing board. I think that's going to be the hairdryer. Yeah, that's a hairdryer. And then round, that's the door obviously, full length mirror, toilet, so we've not used anything yet, the shower, sink, got some complimentary shampoos and conditioners there. This has cost us £128 for one night, and breakfast is £18.50 each. So yeah, that's the Radisson Blue South Kensington Hotel in London.